The start is only $50 and the goal is to make them $500 and not at the expense of risk, but at the expense of a definite system. In this video, I will use the SuperTrend and Vortex bundle to catch the moments when the market really chooses a direction. You will see real deals, moments of expectation, and situations where entry was more important than the speed. And at the end of the video, we will honestly see how realistic such a goal is in the live market. Now we'll show you the settings that I use to work with the strategy. You can just repeat after me so as not to make a mistake. I use high Kanashi graphic type, the time frame will be 1 minute. Now you need to open the indicator section and choose SuperTrend and Vortex. And let's adjust the settings of both indicators. The SuperTrend indicator has a period of 10, multiplier is 1. This way the indicator will be more responsive to price changes. In the indicator style settings, I will leave everything as standard. Check that you have the same color lines. Next, we will go to the Vortex indicator. The period of the indicator must be reduced to 4. This is also necessary for a better understanding of the price change. And in the Style tab, I will leave the line colors as standard and increase the thickness. And configuration is complete on this. Now I will start the session and show you how this strategy is effective. It is quite simple and will suit even a beginner trader. And if you understand how to work with it, then opening trades will not be difficult for you. Watch the video to the end if you want to know all the details of the work. If you're interested in seeing the market as it is without fluff and guesswork, in my Telegram I show real trades and share my observations in real time. You can simply watch the process or connect to copy transactions automatically. The format is calm, open and free. Just go to the link in the description and write to me a personal message. I think in this situation you can open a trade and make profit. That's what I want to do. Trading time is 1 minute and the amount of trading will be $50. And my prediction, the price will fall. So it's time to open a trade. And great, now we can look at the situation in more detail. So look, the market for a long time was an upward trend, the price rose steadily and the SuperTrend indicator pointed to it. Then the price peaked and started to fall. As soon as the price chart crossed the green level of the SuperTrend indicator, a new signal appeared, which is placed above the price chart. It points to the beginning of a downward trend, which means that the price will fall. But you cannot yet open a trade. It is important to check the reliability of the signal, and for that, I need the Vortex indicator. The indicator lines have been at a distance from each other for a long time. The price has increased steadily. When there is a trend change, the indicator lines are coming closer to each other, and at the time of trend change, the lines intersect with each other. And this is another signal. After it, I'm sure that the downward trend has started. Both indicators gave a signal and confirm each other. As you see, the strategy is the most simple and I think you really have to try it yourself. And great guys, the price has decreased and my capital has increased. Now it is $96. I really hope that the other trades will be just as profitable. But of course, we won't know what the result is going to be until the end of the session, so continue working. After spending a little time, I found another situation and was ready to open a trade. The amount of the trade will now be $96 unless we open a trade to reduce the price. I think you've already noticed that the situation is similar to the previous one, but let's repeat it once again. The price reached its peak and began to fall. As soon as it crossed the green level of the SuperTrend indicator, a new signal appeared indicating that the price was falling. The Vortex indicator confirms the signal from SuperTrend. The indicator lines have already crossed each other. This situation is safe and all conditions are met. When working with the strategy, guys, it's highly important to open the trade only when both indicators are not contradictory. Also, pay great attention to the Vortex indicator. After crossing the lines of the indicator, the direction of the green line will tell you what trend it is now. If the line is directed downwards, the price will fall. If the line rises, then the price will grow as well. There are also certain requirements for currency pairs, guys. Take only those in which the price chart steadily changes the trend and moves zigzag. These are the most reliable currency pairs, and most strategies work with them. I really hope that you will follow these rules because if you do, opening trades in a safe situation will not be a problem. And the second consecutive profitable trade now. So it increases my capital to $176. I plan to open a couple more trades, so let's keep looking for the situations. The amount of the trade that increased to $176, and I think the price will increase. Open the trade by pressing the green button. I'm sure you can already see that both indicators have given a signal. The price has started to rise steadily and an upward trend has formed. I was looking for a safe situation to open the trade, and let me give you some tips that will help you in your future work. First of all, always set for yourself certain goals that you plan to achieve. You don't really have to aim to earn a huge amount of money in a few days. It will be a bit unreal. But to increase your capital several times in a week is quite feasible. Secondly, learn to be cold-blooded. There is no place for emotions in trading. You have to be sure in every open trade. And if there is even the slightest doubt, it's better not to open a trade. Find a more reliable situation. It's also not necessary to open a lot of trades. It is enough to open 3-4 trades, but profitable ones. I'm sure that these tips will be useful for you. And for now, let me see how the price chart will move. And yes, guys, here's the amount of $328 in my account. And this is another step toward the goal I set for the session. Let's refine another situation and open the last trade for today. I think I made the right choice to open the trade in this situation. I see that the market has started a rising trend, and considering that the previous downward trend was strong, the new trend should be just as strong and the price will go up for a long time. For now, I tried to show you in detail and tell you how to work with the strategy, and then it's up to you. Be sure to try it and I'm sure you will succeed. And bingo, guys! 4 out of 4 trades are profitable. The account balance has increased to $630. And this is several times more the amount with which I started the session. Amazing result, and I think with such a result, we can finish the trading session for now. Well, friends, we close this trading session. Today's trade has once again shown that the market always gives opportunities, but only those who can wait and think can take them. We didn't rush, didn't give in to emotions, and worked just strictly according to the plan. And that's why the whole session looked confident and calm. Remember, your task is not to guess the movement, but to make a balanced decision. Review the video, break down the key points, and try to repeat the logic. And write in the comments below what conclusions you have made after watching the video.